Okay, so before we go to sleep, and so I've just finished the third glass, and the video is just now uploaded to YouTube. It's, it's a long video, but not as long as before. So I used for this experiment. I've used not a fresh sample of semen, but what I've called an enhanced sample, which I will elaborate later how exactly it is done. I will also say that some of the neurons in it were actually ionized, and previously I speculated that it's not good for them to be ionized, but now I'm not so sure. It was clear that all of them, in this, many of the the colored ones were like attracted to one of the poles, and it was, you can see it in the video right away. So maybe later on, we will speculate together about the meaning of their ionization, because it might have advantages and disadvantages. But in order to understand it very well, we need to have more, to conduct more experiments, and also to pry a little bit deeper into the physics of the neurons, which is something that I didn't do until now, because it's kind of complicated and I don't have really the background. But I believe that with you, my audience, and with Siyata Dishmaya, with the help of God, we will be able to reach interesting conclusions. What I want to do now before I go to sleep is to show you under the microscope how exactly is this enhanced Nero juice looks. Because of course, before I took a little bit of sample and put 2 drops on a microscopic slide and cover it with proper thin glass covers. So we'll take a look. I already looked at that before, so it's very, very interesting. We can see many Neros, and you can see there are all sorts of creations. That these creations were not created on the slide itself, but on them, like where they have been before. It was taken. The creations that we'll now see were taken with the Neros and put on the slide with the 2 drops. So let's take a look. You can see many Neros, and also the yellow pool with an example of biological something. Let's try to zoom in. We see many Neros here, and also all sorts of biological or pseudo-biological creations. Let's zoom out. Now this is, we are not no longer on the. Here we can see a yellow pool, which is interesting, always interesting to see. We have both Neros and all sort of stuff. Of course, all sort of pools and biological material or pseudo-biological material. Very interesting. Wow, very interesting. The blue color is from the stain. This sample was partially stained. I mean, I say partially because it was after the stain. It was underwent, like, it was a process which I'll speak about later, but it definitely was stained. The blue is methylene blue, not white, blue, methylene blue. What is that? Interesting. Interesting. Again, I should repeat, these creations were not created on the slide, but on the mixtures where they stayed, and because the slide, I mean, I just now prepared it. You can see many Neros here, with all sort of, like, sizes. This is the maximum, I mean, magnification of 64. Of course, we can go much deeper, but I don't see the need right now. This is nice. Very nice. So I'm satisfied for now, and of course we will continue tomorrow with more classes, more stuff, and more theories, and we should see what we can do with the enhanced Nero juice, because it really seems to be enhanced under the microscope, and it gave us good results with the lab experiment. Of course, we also want good results with the material experiments. Of course, we want to create gold nuggets and diamonds and medicines, drugs, and of course, things that are that are worth a lot of money. So stay with us. Thank you very much.